4, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, travel enthusiasts, let's dive into the ultimate guide to planning your private Italian getaway. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first big adventure, Italy offers a wealth of experiences that cater to every kind of explorer. Planning a private trip to Italy to visit its iconic landmarks is a dream for many. The allure of Italy's rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture is irresistible. With a little preparation, you can make your trip seamless and memorable. From the bustling streets of Rome to the serene canals of Venice, every corner of Italy has something unique to offer. First things first, choose the landmarks you want to visit. This is perhaps the most exciting part of planning your trip. Italy is filled with incredible sights, so decide which ones are on your must-see list. Whether you're drawn to ancient ruins, Renaissance art, or picturesque landscapes, there's something for everyone. Some of the most iconic include the Colosseum in Rome, a marvel of ancient engineering and a symbol of the Roman Empire's grandeur. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural wonder that defies gravity, the enchanting canals of Venice where you can glide on a gondola, and Florence's Duomo, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. And of course, Vatican City for the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes adorn the ceiling. Next, create a flexible itinerary. This will help you make the most of your time without feeling overwhelmed. Map out the landmarks and group those that are close together. This way, you can maximize your sightseeing and minimize travel time. Plan a day or two in each city, allowing time to explore without feeling rushed. Each city has its own unique charm and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Remember to include some time for relaxation and dining. Italy is known for its leisurely pace of life, so take the time to enjoy a coffee at a local cafe or a long, delicious meal. For a personalized experience, consider hiring private transportation. This can greatly enhance your travel experience. Whether you're renting a car or hiring a private driver, this allows you to travel at your own pace and make stops at hidden gems along the way. Imagine driving through the rolling hills of Tuscany or along the stunning Amalfi Coast. You might also want to book private tours for a more in-depth experience at the landmarks. This can provide a richer understanding of the places you visit. A private guide can offer detailed insights into the history and stories behind the places you visit. They can also tailor the tour to your interests, making the experience even more special. When it comes to accommodations, book early to secure private villas, boutique hotels, or charming bed and breakfasts near your chosen landmarks. This ensures you have a comfortable and convenient place to stay. Staying in a private villa can offer a home-away-from-home experience, while boutique hotels often provide unique, personalized service. Staying in the heart of the cities will give you easier access to the sights and the local culture. You'll be able to step out of your door and immediately immerse yourself in the vibrant life of the city. And of course, savor the local cuisine. Italian food is renowned worldwide, and there's nothing like enjoying it in its place of origin. Make reservations at popular restaurants and enjoy regional specialties like fresh pasta, handmade with love and tradition, pizza with its perfect crust and flavorful toppings, and Tuscan wine, known for its rich flavors and history. With careful planning, your private trip to Italy's landmarks will be an unforgettable experience. The memories you create will be cherished for a lifetime. Take your time, enjoy the journey, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Every moment in Italy is a chance to discover something new and wonderful. Thanks for watching and happy travels. May your Italian adventure be filled with joy, discovery, and unforgettable moments.